How to contact LinkedIn support. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact support for LinkedIn. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. How to contact LinkedIn support team. If you want to contact LinkedIn support, what you have to do is to simply open up LinkedIn first, tap on your profile icon from the top left of the screen, then go to settings from the bottom left. From settings, look for the option Help Center and tap on Help Center. Now here select any issues that you're facing. Let's say I'm facing issues with my subscription or billing, just select that topic. Now if it solves your problem within any of these topics that they mentioned, that's perfectly fine. But if you cannot solve the problem that it is facing, scroll down all the way down to the bottom. You can see a very small text that says contact us underneath the LinkedIn logo. So tap on this contact us link over here. And when you do that, you can see it will ask us to create a support ticket. So the only way to contact LinkedIn support is to create a ticket and they will respond to you, because LinkedIn does not have a personal phone number that you can call 24/7 because they have billions of users and they cannot accommodate to every single user. So tap on create a support ticket option here, then select a category, whatever issues that you are facing, and you can also type in other and so on, and after that you'll be able to go ahead and then select what do you need help with, and your ticket will be created and LinkedIn will get back to you. So this way you can contact LinkedIn support. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.